For almost 200,000 years, Homo sapiens lived much like any other creature on this planet. They hunted to survive. They feared predators lurking in the shadows. They died, often quickly, often without fanfare. They weren't rulers of Earth, just another species trying to keep going. Then, something remarkable happened. It wasn't a change in their bodies or a sudden surge in strength. It was something deeper. Something invisible. The way their brains started to connect ideas, not just things they could see or touch, but thoughts, concepts, and stories. About 70,000 years ago, sapiens began to do what no other human species had managed well: they imagined things that didn't actually exist in front of them. Not tools or objects, but shared ideas. This was the moment we call the cognitive revolution. Cognitive means thinking, reasoning, and making connections inside the mind. Before this change, communication was simple and immediate: danger here, food there, follow me. But then sapiens invented a different kind of language. A language that could talk about what wasn't there. They could share plans for the future. They could tell stories about the past. They could warn about someone far away. With this new ability, small groups didn't just survive, they thrived, growing larger and more complex. Trust no longer needed direct proof. It could be built with words. A person didn't need to see a lion to fear it, they only needed to hear a story about one. This changed everything. Groups that shared more information adapted faster. Faster adaptation meant survival and growth. And growth meant pressure on every other human species around. Strength alone didn't determine who would survive. Imagination did. But imagination by itself wasn't power. Power came from shared imagination. When many people believed the same invisible idea, they could join together, act as one. In the next part, we'll discover how gossip, reputation, and social knowledge transformed sapiens.